welcome to our channel. It's Malay Philippines. It's Thursday afternoon. We're here in Balibago Station 4 and we're going to take our affidavit of law so that we can take some case already for the Korean, and right now we're going inside already.
Yeah, hi everyone, now 1 p.m. and we just arrived Balibago and we'll take document. It's already last document from the police station. They prepare already, and what need to do for this? Need also for SD card, USB card with video of Korean. So not it's from YouTube. So because this prosecutor will also watch this video. Also, guys, when I go to government offices, when I go to the police, different police stations, I give my name card always. They follow my YouTube channel now. So thank you everyone who subscribed me. Station 4. And the printing service here in Angeles City is very cheap because it's only 50 cents. It's half peso, Shaira, yes? Half peso only. But in many places it's 5 peso, but it's only half peso. Only 35 peso is left. Need so many documents. That's why we print here. We're going to prosecutor right now.
Hey.
Yeah, I need to remove.
Okay.
This is new road. This is new road to Market Mall. I first time drive to this road. Let's see. Follow justice. Shaira. Say hi.
Go in the Landers.
Yes, Landers. In the front is Landers.
But you take your Landers car?
No, Landers car in home. Forgot. One way.
Hi everyone, we just stopped here in Pandan or in near Mexico, Pampanga already, and we go later to home. But right now, we already finished from prosecutor, and already they approve it, and we need to wait only the email from the prosecutor in Angeles City that we need to have some meeting with this Korean. If this Korean not meet with 2 times, so they will give him some warrant of arrest and they will gonna arrest him.
But now we... Hi guys, now we stop in the road, Angeles Magalang Road. Before we already ride in the motor, and now we stop in the place with street foods and farmers sales vegetable something. We can show now. We can go outside and show. This is road. Angeles, if straight, Magalang direction. This way road go to the Marquee Mall, Angeles City. Shaira. Street foods also. Try street foods.
10 pesos per.
Oh, 10 pesos only. So many coconut. Fresh coconut.
Kuya, yung ano kuya, may laman.
Salad.
Hard,
Kalangkot?
hard coconut or not?
No, not hard. Medium.
Ay, yung parang pwede kong kain.
Not hard, not so soft.
Middle.
Middle, yeah. So many. Coconut. How much are coconut here?
Magkanya po kanyan?
40 peso here, coconut.
40 po. Ha? 40. Ako. Ha? Dila ba?
You know how choice, yeah? For sound or how? How he? You ask him how he know? How? If open, he will already put in the juice inside.
Fresh po ko. Oh. Diba ba? Di masabaw kuya? Oo.
Tagkata?
Hindi, dalawa yung masabaw, isa yung may laman. Lagi yung may laman, no? Bili mo ko yung medyo may laman. Buko. Mag-viral ka ganyan, boss. Na, mag-viral ka ganyan. Ilan po, te? May laman pa?
Yung buko niya.
Palaman,
Dalawang malit po.
dalawang... Thank you.
Hi guys!
Bye.
Pagtakuyagin ako mo to.
Sige.
Kali mo na, Andres.
So you want? No, for you, up to you. Bye. Okay. Arayat. This is Arayat. What you wanted, Shaira?
Let only.
Leta.
I need to go home first.
Okay, okay. We enter to Magalang. Magalang. But we need to go to Mabalakat city. We will turn to what name, Shaira?
Bicol.
Bicol.
We will turn in left side. It's going to Bicol. And turn right, it's going to Arayat.
Yeah, this one. This is big tree. And before big tree, we turn left.
But if it's straight, it's already Magalang.
Magalang also, and straight also to Arayat. If you need to go to Arayat, the road in Magalang, it's same road, same way.
And also road for Mexico.